Now we're going to put the weight distribution, hitch, and sway control on the truck. We'll take the pin out of the receiver, slide the hitch into the receiver until the holes line up. Place the pin back in. You'll find the hitch in the forward passenger side compartment of the trailer. We're then going to install our weight distribution bars. First we'll remove these retaining pins. We slide the receiving bar into the hitch, the weight distribution bar into the hitch with the weight stamp on top, and then place the pin through the bar, and we repeat on the other side. Now we'll back the truck up once they're both in, and I'll show you how to attach it to the trailer. We've got the truck hitch backed under the trailer tongue here. We'll raise the hitch pin here, and we'll lower the trailer onto the trailer hitch. Now that the weight of the trailer is on the hitch, we'll lock the hitch into place, and we're going to use the tongue jack to lift the trailer so that we can put the weight distribution bars over here where they go on the trailer. So hitch is locked in, using the tongue jack to lift the trailer and the truck now. We'll lift them to about where my knee is. I'm about 5'7", so maybe a little lower if you're a little taller. In this case, the weight distribution bar is coming up under the bracket here, so I'll just pull it out a little bit. Alright, it's about at the bottom of my knee. What I'm going to do is remove this retention pin from the bracket for the weight distribution bar. Remove the clip, lift the pin out. I'm going to use this tool to place the bar on the bracket. This will go in the square hole in the bracket, and then I'll pull it up and slide the bar in. Once the bar is in place, we put the retention pin back in, drop it down in there, and put the clip back in place. We will repeat on the other side. While I'm here, I'll show you that we will hook up the safety chains. Those chains are crossed in the middle between the trailer and the truck. And we will connect the wiring harness from the trailer that operates our lights and our brakes. We can put the pin back in. Probably should have done that before I raised it up on the tongue. Once I put this bar on the other side right now, move that pin again. Place the other bar in. It's under a lot of tension, so be sure not to get any fingers in there. Keep all the kids away when you're doing this. We can now lower the trailer tongue. These bars help distribute the weight of the trailer across the back and front tires of the truck. They also help limit the amount of sway in the trailer, moving back and forth when we're pulling it down the road. All weight is off of the tongue. We'll continue to raise this jack, and we will be ready to depart.